So customer here, man, he wanted to do a starter replacement. You know, he pays pretty good money for it. Once again, I'm here to save people money, man. I'm not here, we turn the key. Nothing's happening, man. You know what I'm saying? That's not cool, man. It's not starting. So, I verified that he's got 12 volts, coming out of his starter solenoid relay. Fuse. So, man, what did I do, man? We don't want to just replace starters, man. Everybody knows it's 3.6. It's really not the funnest thing in the world to do. So, I came here. We're going to jump the relay. We're going to go 87 to 30. We're doing this live, man. We're doing it live. We're going to go 87-30. Boom, that's kicked it on. You hear that? So we verified that the starter's working. So now we want to make sure that, it's not no theft system or something like that. So we're going to turn the key to forward position. Start, man. Right from the relay. You know what I'm saying? So this right here is bad. So like I said, to verify that, we can take this fuse here, this relay here, we can swap this one. Boom, this is for the fan, you know what I mean? You don't really need that right now. Now we're gonna come here. We're gonna start. Car starts right up, man. So you know what I'm saying? Set it forward. I'm just out here saving people money, man. Y'all can keep talking about me or whatever, but I'm just helping people out, man. That's the only thing I'm doing. So we're gonna go ahead and get a relay. He gonna be good to go, man.